Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you trying to factory reset your iPhone? It requires you to enter your Apple ID password to proceed. But you don't know or have forgotten the password. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your iPhone without the Apple ID password. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Change the Apple ID password. Tap Forgot Passcode on the screen. Enter the passcode you used to unlock this iPhone. Now you can set a new password for your Apple ID. After that, you can proceed with your iPhone reset using the new Apple ID password. Method 2. Factory reset your iPhone using iTunes. First, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Then boot your iPhone into recovery mode. Here's how. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Then, open iTunes on your computer. iTunes will immediately detect your iPhone. Select Restore. Click Restore and Update to confirm. Agree to the terms. iTunes will automatically restore your iPhone to factory settings. The process is complete. Your iPhone is restarting. Set up your iPhone again. When prompted to enter your Apple ID and password, tap Unlock with Passcode. Tap Use Device Passcode. Enter the passcode that was previously used to unlock this iPhone. This will remove the activation lock. You can now continue setting up your iPhone. When prompted to sign in with your Apple ID, skip this step. Now your iPhone is like a brand new device. Method 3. Factory reset iPhone with iPhone Passcode Refixer. First, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Then download and install iSumsoft iPhone Passcode Refixer on your computer. I have placed the software link in the description below. Open the software. Choose Remove Apple ID. Click Start to proceed. Enter 0000 and click Next. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for the Apple ID on your iPhone. Then enter 0000 again to confirm. The software will automatically detect your iPhone. Click Download to download the firmware for the iPhone. Finally, click Unlock. The software will automatically factory reset your iPhone. Success! Your iPhone has been factory reset. Set up your iPhone again. Skip the Apple ID login during the setup. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. See you in the next one.